Good day, everybody. We are from Yodlee. Let's face it, most personal financial apps are anything but personal. We're here today to premiere Yodlee Sense, a brand new app that's going to change all that because it's personal and it's predictive. Yodlee Sense runs customers' financial data through its personalization engine. It determines customers' financial income and expense patterns, debt-to-income ratio, and average cash on hand. The information it uses to create a uniquely personal user experience. Tens of millions of customers, hundreds of millions of accounts, and billions of transactions inform Yodlee Sense. So join me now as we meet Kate and Henry, two Yodlee Sense users who are at different stages of their financial journey. And you can see how Yodlee Sense is going to help them manage their finances in their own individualized way. Kate?
Hi, everyone. My name's Kate. I have a great job. I make good money. I've got a husband in medical school. But I got to tell you, with student loans and a single income, managing our day-to-day finances is a juggling act. So I'm going to show you how Sense is helping me and my husband make smarter decisions about our finances. I'm going to draw your attention to the screen above where you're going to see my cell phone screen. As you'll see, I've received a smart sensor telling me my checking account is going to be running below $200 on Friday. It's Tuesday today. It's telling me about something that's happening 3 days from now. So I'm going to tap here, log into the app to see what's going on. Okay, so here's the low balance sensor. As you see, the balance will fall below $200 on Friday. It is telling me about a problem before it actually happens. How does it know that? Well, you'll notice under my upcoming transactions, these are all future data transactions. So the app's algorithms have actually figured out my upcoming bills. And when I get paid, so you'll see that on the 15th, I'm going to be running into trouble. And as I look down over here, I'm seeing that the reason is that my husband paid for his car repair using the debit card instead of credit card. So I'm going to transfer funds. And again, the app is smart enough to know which accounts I've got money in. It also knows how much it would take to tide me over until my next paycheck. So all the information is pretty much filled out. All I have to do is to tap on transfer funds, review the information, and hit submit. And off it goes. Pretty nifty, eh, David?
That's right. Now, as you can see, folks, the Yodlee Sense engine runs in the background, scanning the future to detect potential financial issues and opportunities. The other thing that it does is it notifies Kate way ahead of time proactively.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you a little bit of how intuitive the user interface is. So up top, what you're going to see, I'm going to swipe across, and these are all my account balances from my various financial institutions. It gives me a good overview of my finances. Right underneath is my financial calendar. This is the forecast I was talking about. So it's plotting out all of my income and expenses, gives me a little glimpse into the future, helps me be better prepared. And then right under it is an area called notifications. So these are things I have to take care of right away. The transfer was completed successfully, so I swiped that card off my screen. And then I see the next one. It's asking me to strengthen my forecast. It seems to have recognized a recurring payment, so I'm going to tap on the card. And I look at the check image. This is indeed for my son's childcare. So it's a recurring bill. I'm going to add it to my calendar. All I have to do is to enter in the name of the payee, hit done, and then it syncs with my phone calendar, and I can actually share the event with my husband as well to keep him in the loop. So we're going to add it to the calendar. I'm going to swipe this off the screen as well. So done with my notifications, I get to this area called tips and challenges. And I got to tell you, the traditional budgeting is really not my thing. It stresses me out. It sounds like a lot of work, but I really like these bite-sized insights and challenges that the app is giving me. So in this case, you'll see it tells me that about how much money I spend on a weekly basis on groceries. It challenged me to do better. I completed the challenge. And so when I tap on more like this, the app actually gets smarter. It figures out what kinds of challenges I like, and it gives me more of them. And that's how Sense has helped me, David.
That's great. Well, the app is smart for Kate because its intelligent personalization engine is sensitive to her specific financial needs. And it's wise for the financial institution because it helps build loyalty with up-and-comers like Kate. So now let's meet Henry, and let's show you how Yodlee Sense and its personalization engine predictively tailors recommendations and tips based on his personal financial data. Henry?
Thank you, David. Hi, I'm Henry. I'm a busy professional. I save through my traditional 401k and IRA, but that's really it. I know that I can make my money work harder for me. I just really don't know where to start, and I don't really have the time.
With Census capabilities, Henry gets personalized recommendations, which in this unique case are designed to make his money go further. Yodlee Sense doesn't bombard customers with irrelevant generic alerts and offers. So instead of annoying customers like Henry, his financial institution actually can become a trusted partner. Hey, Henry, you might want to check out those smart sensors.
I did, and I just logged in. As you can see here, I'm getting a sensor here to help me understand how to make my money grow. So if I click on that sensor, I am given some options about different types of investments that might be able to help me with the cash position that I have in savings, but I can also schedule a free consultation directly from the app because I really want to be able to talk to somebody, not just have everything done for me automatically. So I am able to submit that, and then I can come back and see all my account views. What I can also see as well is that there's some recommendations here similar to what Caddy was getting about the refinancing my mortgage. And what's beautiful about this is that it already has all my information pre-populated. I don't have to enter in what my interest rates are or anything like that. And I can also schedule a free appointment as well. This is going to save me a lot of time, and it's very useful for me as somebody on the go. You did it?
Great. Well, there you have it, everybody. That's how Yodlee Sense gets personal and also predictive. Yodlee's digital financial management solution senses who you are based on your own personal data, and it performs data analytics in the background. And it uses it to personalize, prioritize, and predict what your financial needs are, so it empowers you to make proactive decisions to help you reach your financial goal. So whether you're a Kate or a Henry or anybody else for that matter, you can gain insights, take action, and plan your financial future with Yodlee Sense. It'll make it all make sense for you and your customers. Join us at our booth. Check it out. Yodlee. Thank you.
Thank you.